How to add new Gmail account to Android phone. 2. Add second Google account in Android. Step by step. Create and add Gmail account to any Android phone. 4. How to log in new Gmail on Android mobile.
Hey
Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add a new Gmail account to your Android phone easily. Let's start. Step 1. Open Settings. Unlock your phone and open the Settings app. Step 2. Go to Accounts, scroll down and tap Accounts or Accounts and Backup, depending on your phone. Step 3. Tap Add Account. Now tap on Add Account and select Google. Step 4. Enter your Gmail, type your Gmail address and tap Next. Then enter your password and tap Next again. Step 5. Accept Google terms, tap I agree to continue. Step 6. Sync your account. Make sure sync is turned on so your Gmail, contacts, Drive, and calendar can load. And done. Your new Gmail account is now added to your Android phone. Quick tips. You can add multiple Gmail accounts the same way. To switch accounts, open any Google app and tap your profile icon. If you forget your password, use the Forgot Password option. That's it for today's video. If this helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips.